With this drink, you are safe all through summer, I bet you. Stay tuned and enjoy watching. Now, this drinks got your back in the summer, okay? Like it's an amazing one. Please, you need to watch this video to the end to see how amazing this drinks turned out, okay? So, here are the components for today. I have my pineapple, apple, and grapes inside water, and then adding some salt and some vinegar. This is just to keep the fruits very clean because we need the skin to make our drinks. I have hibiscus here. I also have some dates. Okay, so the dates, what I did, if you have the dry one, just add in some water to soften it a little bit. Take off the seed. This will enable the mixer do the job perfectly. I have rosemary. Like rosemary will bring an amazing flavor to this drink, and I also have ginger. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. I will leave them in the description box. Please don't forget to check it out. To continue, I'll go ahead and clean my hibiscus in a water bath just like this, okay? This will prevent me from losing too much colors of this hibiscus and also the vitamins. Now, get a suitable pot and introduce your hibiscus first. Let me use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers for always tuning in. I appreciate you all so much. So much. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you also for watching. I appreciate you. Let us take this step by step, lovelies. So what I'll do now is go ahead, peel my apple. I am making use of just the skin of the apple and the inner chunk, the woody side of the apple. The flesh of the apple will be enjoyed right away in the sitting room, okay? I won't make use of that. Now for the pineapple, I will also peel, introduce the skin to the pot. The flesh will be set aside for a later use. Add in your ginger and rosemary, bring in some liters of water and let it cook on a low heat. I mean low heat. I cooked mine for about 1 hour, okay? While we continue prepping, let's talk about why you should have this drink in your fridge ready in this summer. Hibiscus is an amazing drink, hibiscus drink, and it also good for tea. It has amazing taste, the taste of I think similar to cranberry. Okay, hibiscus helps lower the blood pressure. It also helps decrease the growth of bacteria. You talk about grapes, it's high in antioxidant. You want to talk about pineapple, it is rich in vitamin C. It helps boost the immunity, lower the cancer risk. And then you want to talk about dates, it helps boost the energy. Okay, for this summer, we need something to boost our energy, which is sugar. But in this way, we are going for natural sugar. Sugar is an energy booster. So we are going for the natural one. Look at what we have here, super good. Those paste, you can save it in your fridge and enjoy it at any time if you have too much of it. But this is just the quantity I needed for this drink. Dates is very nutritious and also high in fiber. Okay, so I just made a paste set aside. Now I went ahead to blend my pineapple. Okay, just use whatever you have to extract the juice. You can as well use a juicer, but I just felt like this is the best way to do this for me. Okay, so then set the juice aside, the pineapple juice aside. For the grapes, you want to introduce to your mixer, and then I will go for the juice, the pineapple juice. Okay, I didn't want to go for too much water, okay, to dilute it, but it's just perfect like this. Also extract it and set aside. If you have watched this video to this time, oh, what should I say? Okay, thank you so much. I salute you. Merci beaucoup. And Dankeschön. Vielen Dank. I appreciate you all for doing that. Please don't forget to like this video. It will go a long way for this channel, for this video. Thank you for doing that. I appreciate it. Now, after an hour, I will go ahead and scoop out all the hibiscus out from the pot. The longer you cook, the intensiver it turns out and dark. Okay, it has released everything in your juice. Okay, so this is the reason uh, why you need to cook it a little bit longer. Okay, you mustn't cook it too. Okay, you can as well just soak it and just extract it, but this way it stays longer in the fridge. I think it stays longer, and I don't know, and it's more, I don't know. Okay, it stays longer, and I just love the recipe. So now I will go ahead, introduce the date pasta, okay, paste. So I will introduce the date paste. The date was just perfect for me. You can go for more. Like I said, in the summer you need something sweet for that energy, okay? Because the sun is super hot and you lose strength. Sugar is energy booster, but we need a healthier one. I said it before. Okay, so after straining it, I let it completely cool down. I was still not satisfied because I was still finding some particles in my juice. So I had to extract it again to make sure there is nothing left behind. Okay, and that's it. This is what we have: pure hibiscus juice drink. Like, guys, this juice is like, I don't know, you can see for yourself. So I had to put some parts aside, okay, one bottle aside. So with this one bottle, I can make use of it anytime. I can make any fresh juice to pair with it, and that's it. So, and then I will introduce the rest, the other pineapple juice. I almost finished the grapefruit before adding it. It tasted so good. Okay, and then stir everything together and serve. It is better enjoyed when it is chilled. After adding all the fresh pressed juice, you want to taste if you are satisfied. Mine was just perfect. I really enjoyed it, guys. We are in my place. We had 33-degree, 32-degree. That's how hot it is. So imagine having this drink as a lifesaver when you have guests. The first thing is just to welcome your guests with this refreshing vitamin booster summer drinks. It is so good. I had mine in my fridge for weeks and it was just perfect. So I want to say a big thank you for watching to this time. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also share with your loved ones. Leave your opinion in the comment section and see you all in my next one, lovelies. Thank you so much and bye for now.